Golf Alpha Foxtrot, we'll be joining for bandwidth a second. Okay, lift your hood up. So we're just going crosswind at the moment. The clubhouse is underneath us.
Okay.
So slow, safe cruise. You think about your speed. So
They keep car
bring the power back because you want one stage flat.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm
you're in anyway. Yeah,
arc,
that's it. And round you go to the left, nice and close to the field. And like we've done before, just go around the back of those Kurds Road.
Yeah.
Houses over there.
Are we still...
No, you're off instruments. No, you're off instruments. You're visual now. You've got to keep close to the field because the vis is really poor.
Okay, but well, and even though these are out, yeah?
Yeah, you just go visual.
Yeah. Okay, brake check and pressure under gauge is down. A fixed mixture is rich.
Good.
Fuel is sufficient. Fuel pump on.
Good.
Are you secure?
I'm good.
And car Pete's out.
That's it. And just pitch up a little bit just to maintain altitude for the moment. That's it, because we're about 500 feet now. And you go to land.
Okay, let's get this last stage of flat down. You want me to try and land about the airspeed?
You've never done it before. Think, just do pitch and attitude and you'll be absolutely fine. It'll be one of the best landings you've ever done,
Sorry,
trust me. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Tractor going to get out of the way?
Yeah. Give him a call.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot's final T4.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, southwest wind indicating 300 knots.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot.
That feels about right to me.
Yeah.
Easy with the stick, nice and gentle. Bit of left rudder. Well done, good.
It was good.
Told you. That's because you've got nothing to look at inside, so you're looking outside all the time, and that's what makes a good landing, looking outside.
Yeah. God, you're good, aren't you, Nigel, hey?
Funnily, if we have students that have a trouble, when they're learning to fly, have trouble landing, I actually cover up most of the instruments.
Yeah.
And they have a fit.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, well, trust me, you'll be fine, you know.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, runway vacated.
Golf Alpha Foxtrot, roger.